that blue Yamaha. You ride it now, today. I'm here with Cross Elliott, and he just did his first big ride on his PW50 here. Cross, how was your ride?
It was good.
It was good? How was the track conditions?
Good.
Was it muddy out there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But I and my bike didn't even get muddy.
Wow. I saw you out there. That was your first big ride. You rode for like 20 minutes. Yeah. You did awesome. Did you beat anybody out there?
I beat all the guys that always touched me on the other one.
Wow. All right, good job, buddy.